Hello, beautiful people. My name is John Mark Shaw, and I'm here to talk to you today about 4 steps to creating the best year of your life in 2019. I'm standing amidst a bunch of gifts, holiday gifts. So let's ask ourselves, what gifts would we love to unwrap in 2019? So step 1, let's decide now that 2019 will be the best ever year of our lives. This is such an important skill, the skill of advanced decision making, the skill of thinking beyond our circumstances, the skill of deciding now, in the absence of knowing how it's going to happen, that 2019 will be the best ever year of our lives. Step 2, let's create a crystal clear vision of the life that we would love. Let's design a vision for our lives in 2019. What would we love when we're celebrating New Year's Eve 2019 and sitting with our favorite person in the world or people in the world, drinking our favorite beverage in the world? What would we love to be celebrating? What happened in our career? What kind of success did we create? Did we make more money than we've ever made in our lives? Did we create more business success, more accolades? Did we bring in a greater flow of wealth and abundance than we'd ever thought possible? Did we create more? Did we have more creative expression, more artistic expression? Did we have more satisfying relationships? Did we meet our partner? Did we deepen our relationship with our current partner? Did we make more friends? Did we expand our community of friends and associates? Did we build our business with networking like we never had before? Do we feel better in our bodies? Do we have greater health? Did we lose that weight we wanted to lose? Did we run that marathon or that half marathon? What did we create in 2019? Let's design a vision for that incredible life and let's put it on as if it's happening now. That's step 3. To have the skill of brave thinking, to be grateful in advance for the life that we're creating and to put it on as if it's happening now. Step 3, be grateful in advance. Be grateful in advance that I already had this magnificent life. If you really believed that this life was absolutely the life you would be living in 2019, that you already lived that life, how would you feel? You'd feel confident, you'd feel grateful. And when you put on that energy every single day as if it's happened already, that you're grateful in advance, you can ask yourself, what is one step that I took back then to move in the direction of this amazing life that I created in 2019? What is one step I created? What is one step I took? And then you take that step. That's step 4. To advance confidently, to act as if we really knew that it was already done, that we really believed it already happened, that it was absolutely within our believing nature that we created the best year ever in our lives. And so we acted as if. We took the steps. We acted boldly. We took chances. Every single day we asked ourselves, what is one step I can take today to move in the direction of this incredible year, the best year ever of my life? And we take massive and perfect action and we advance confidently in the direction of our dream, endeavoring to live the life we've imagined. And in doing so, we create a success unexpected in common hours, as Henry David Thoreau said. So here are the steps. We decide now that we will create the best year of our lives in 2019. Step 1. Step 2, we design a crystal clear vision for that life. Step 3, we put it on and are grateful in advance as if it's already happened, and we feel the feeling of the wish fulfilled, as Wayne Dyer used to say. And from that place we download guidance from our inner guidance system as to what steps we took to move in that direction of that incredible year. And step 4, we take that massive action. We advance confidently. My name is John Mark Shaw. I am so grateful to be with you here today to talk about how you're creating and how we're creating together the best year of our lives in 2019. If you'd like to learn more, please email me at john@johnmarkshaw.com. And I hold periodic workshops. This one coming up this Thursday on December 13th is Vision 2019. I hope that you will come to the workshop, and I look forward to seeing you there. Thank you.